are pleased to show you the 2018 Kia Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth-flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, trip computer, fog lights, security system, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, outside temperature gauge, day and night rear view mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.